How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode, I'm gonna do a quick installation on the Hella Supertones for my 2019 RAV4. I have the Supertones right here. Link is gonna be in the description. I already pre-wired the Supertones, so I make this quick and easy. If you notice, on the Hellas, you're gonna have two connectors. One it says 10 and the other one 19 on both. So the 10 is gonna be the negative side. I pre-wired this one connector to the 10 and the other one is gonna be the ground. So you can get these ones at any hardware store. I'm gonna find a bolt to connect the negative side into the frame of the truck, and the other female connectors, they're going right here. I make one connector for the positive side. I just make an extension for the positive side, which is the 19s. I'm gonna use the bracket that came with the Hellas, and it's gonna be quick and easy. I extend the positive side so I have more cable to attach to the stock connectors on the truck, and this is females and these ones are males. They're gonna be connected to the stock harness on the truck. So that's all I have. Really easy, simple to do. Now I'm gonna show you how to get to the horns on the 2019 RAV4. The only tool that you need for this installation is gonna be a 10 and 12 millimeter socket. I also use these ones to pre-wire the Hellas. You have few clips here on the front. We have to remove this little cover, which is really easy to do. You have 2, 3, 4, 5 retaining clips. You can remove those with the screwdriver, and then you have two 10 millimeter bolts right here on the front. I'm gonna start with the clips and with the flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna remove them, which is really easy to do. One here, one here, one over here, and here on the other side I have another two. Right here I have two 10 millimeter. One right here, one right here. Now to remove the cover, you just have to play with it and try to get it out of it. I'm going to show you in a minute. You're not going to damage this cover, so don't be afraid. It's out of the way. Here inside you have the two horns. You just have to unplug them. It has a little clip, just pull it out. That's one horn. That's the other one right here. I already unplugged them. And then you have right here two 12 millimeters. We have to remove those two. But before I remove them, let's take a listen on how these horns sound. You barely see the Hellas, but they look amazing. So this cable, you're just gonna connect to the stock wire, and this one too. And I was thinking on getting this wire for the ground right here. Once I put everything, I'm gonna put that one in there. Once I put the cover, just plug it in, make sure that it's in place. Connection is done on both sides. So I extended the wire harness so I don't have to remove it from the clip, and by making this connection, this one is gonna be more secure into the hela, so that's why I extend the wire. Now before I put the cover, I'm gonna put the bolt right here for the ground and test the helas, see how they sound. Okay, let me test the helas because it's gonna be a little bit louder. Hopefully it's a lot better because the stock sound on the horns, I really don't like it. So let's test now the helas, see how they sound. I like this sound better. Now I'm gonna be noticed in case that I have to use them. I don't use them a lot, but this sound is a lot better than the stock ones. One little change of plans because in my move it's gonna be difficult to line up the connector. I moved the negative side to this one right here. Now that I test everything, make sure everything works, I just gotta put the cover back on and this installation is done. Don't be afraid, you're not gonna break this piece. It's very flexible. Put your clips back on. Okay guys, installation is done. I hope you like this little episode. The only thing that you need to do is pre-wire the helas, so when you came to the truck, you just connect everything. I hope you like this little episode. If you have questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.